Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to add a plugin that can add social share buttons to every page in your website on the mobile and also in the desktop. Okay, so in order to add your plugin AddToAny, which display social share buttons wherever you want, you have to download the plugin right here on Add a New Plugin, below Plugins, and you write on the search AddToAny. Now, this is the first plugin that you need to install. Just click on Install Now and activate it. And as you can see, it has a lot of reviews, good reviews, more than 400,000 of active installations, and it's compatible with your version of WordPress. So just activate it, and then you will see the settings. Below you have settings and AddToAny tab. Just click on that, and as you can see, you have the standard settings. You can of course change the icon style, the size of it, the background, if it's transparent or original, and also the foreground. Now of course you can choose the share buttons themselves. As you can see, add or remove services. Just click on the right social networks that you want to add to share, to let your users share this page. Of course, if it's relevant to this country, you can see right here that you have some social platforms that relevant to China or USA or some other countries. So just choose what is relevant for you. After you have done that, you can of course remove or choose or add as much as you want. And as you can see right here, you can show also the counts. It doesn't include that on any other platform, as you can see, just on Pinterest, but you can choose that. And then you continue on to change the universal button if you want to change it right here for an image URL to the other image, or just for text. Just write your text instead of this image, of this plus button, or make it none if you don't want to add any other platform on the share. It looks like this. As you can see, it's floating right here, and I just click on this plus button and it gives you more options, so it's good to keep it, as you can see right here. Of course, you can show the count if you want. Just click here, check it, and save changes. There you can see how many shares you have for every platform, of course, if it has the count. Let's keep it the plus button. So right here you have the placement to display it at the bottom of posts pages, display at the bottom of posts on the front page, at the bottom of posts on the archive pages also, and of course the posts in the feed itself. You can display it on other places, on other post types like products, portfolio, shortcodes, my templates, wherever you want. And of course you can add CSS or JavaScript if you know what you're doing, and some of the advanced options. If you know what you're doing, you can of course add that as well. It of course helps you to keep the cache AddToAny locally with daily cache updates, helps you to speed up this option, and also if you want to use custom icons, you can do that as well with file name extensions. So after you have done your changes, you can save the settings and go to floating. This is what you can see right here, the vertical buttons that appear here, not the horizontal. But if you want to keep the horizontal buttons, you can do that as well instead of the vertical one, or in addition to that. So right here you have the responsiveness options, hide on mobile screens, pixels, or narrow this 920, this 980, or hide until pages scroll 100 pixels or more from the top or from the bottom. Also you have the position, the pixels from the top, and the offset pixels right here from left to right. And of course the icon size by pixels, and the background if it's transparent or not. You can choose the color. Also you have the same options for the horizontal buttons, and this is how you can put on every page. If you click on that, you can see that it takes this specific page to share it on each platform. If you go to another page, it will share this other page as well, and this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to use this plugin AddToAny to add social buttons that you can share each page on your website. If you have any more questions, you can write them in the comments below when I comment, and on the first comment I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.